Refilling the ink on Epson EcoTank 8550 is really easy to do, but I know when I did it the first time, I was a little bit nervous about maybe messing up the printer or spilling ink everywhere, so I'm gonna show you exactly how to fill the ink tanks in this video. First step is to open up the printer, and so you see there's these little spots right here that are kind of indented. You just lift up, and then it will automatically stay up. Next we have the screen, so basically you just hit proceed and then you select which ink you want to fill. We are doing the BK. You hit proceed. You can see there's a little kind of a indent there, just pop right up. We're going to fill the BK. Then you look, this one says BK. Then we flip this up and unscrew the top. Now this one I have already filled once before, but there was a little bit left in it. So all you do, you can see how it's kind of a lot of ink on the top there. When they first open them, they won't have that much ink, but it's okay. You can just even use part of these and then refill it later. That's what we're doing because it had filled it up all the way. You just line it up in there and then you can see it starts to fill up down here. You just want to make sure that it's the right ink for it. So this is BK, this one is BK, and you don't squeeze this. You just let gravity do its job. And then whenever it's full, it'll just sit there, and if there's some left in it, that's fine, and you'll be able to reuse that the next time. So we're going to say it's full. We just take it out and then put our lid back on here. Shut this and then shut this. Once it's full, we select yes and click OK. And go ahead and close this back down. One more tip, if you want to, you can have like a window open or a fan on because there is a little bit of a smell that comes off the printer when you open it, especially if you've been printing with it a lot prior to refilling the ink cartridges. You also might want to wear a pair of gloves and have a paper towel handy just in case a few drops of the ink happen to come out of the bottle and get somewhere else on there where they're not supposed to be on your printer. I know when I filled it for the first time, I had one ink droplet fill out of one of the containers onto the tops, and I just kind of needed a paper towel to wipe it off. But for the most part, the ink will stay in the bottles and not spill out. I think there's some sort of a mechanism on here. I mean, look at this. See, I'm doing this. There's no ink coming out. So it's not just going to spill everywhere. They made them pretty well. If you'd like to learn some more tips on working with your 8550 to make art prints, I have a playlist right here. I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.